everyone, it's Leslie here from Elegant Edges, and today I've got a little memory book to show you. So on the front we've got these gorgeous owls. I love the one with the bandages. And then open up. So first of all we've got a sort of triple pocket on the left with places just to pop photos. Matching one on the right hand side. It flips open, and there we have a little folder for photos, a pocket if you can stuff some more photos in there. In the centre there's this gorgeous design, lovely images, the spooky puffy owl sticker that opens up for more 4x4 space. It flaps, and inside you've got lovely big space for big photos or a collage. Closes for that other second pocket. Lovely ghosts on the back, and little album for Halloween, maybe for the trick-or-treating, some decorations in the house. Okay, thanks for looking. Bye.